Hello everyone and welcome back to the Code Syndicate. In previous video, we learned generic function. In this video, we will discuss generic struct and enums. Let's create a struct named genstruct with a field data. This data will be a generic data. Now, let's create two variables, data1 and data2. Data1 with a str type in data field and data2 is a numeric type of data. Here you can see this data1 and data2, both the variables are using two different types of data to store in this data field. In this case, this is a str type and this is a numeric type. So this was a small demonstration of generic struct. Now let's create a generic enum. Here we have created this gen enum which has this data option, and this data can hold a generic type of data, that is key. And in this main function, we have declared two variables, data1 and data2, with two different types of values. Let's run the code. So this is it for this video, and I will see you in the next video.